Looking to remove your profile picture from Telegram on your Android device? Maybe you want a fresh start or you just prefer a bit more privacy. In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to delete your Telegram profile picture on Android. By the end, your account will be picture-free and you'll feel confident about adjusting your privacy settings whenever you want. Alright, let's get started. First things first, to begin, open the Telegram app on your Android phone. If you're used to using Telegram for chatting with friends, groups, or channels, this should feel familiar. Just tap the Telegram icon to launch it. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign in the way you normally do. Sometimes, if you haven't opened Telegram for a while, it may take a second to load your chats. Don't worry, that's normal. Now, once the app is open, look toward the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see a little menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. This is often called the hamburger icon, and it's your gateway to everything behind the scenes in Telegram. Tap that menu icon and a sidebar will slide out showing you options like new group, contacts, calls, and importantly, settings. We're heading into settings next. Go ahead and tap on settings. This takes you directly to your personal account page, where you can adjust all sorts of profile details, like your name, phone number, notifications, and of course, your profile pictures. At the very top of the settings page, you'll see your current profile picture in a circular frame. Sometimes there might be more than one photo if you've added multiple images before. Now tap on your profile picture right up at the top right. This will open your profile in full view and let you see every photo you've set. If you have more than one profile image, you can swipe left or right to look through them. Telegram is pretty flexible like that. But if you're just trying to delete your main photo, you should be looking at it already. Here's a key step. With the profile photo open, look for 3 vertical dots in the corner of the picture. These dots are your options menu and they're pretty common on Android apps. Tap on them when you see them. Don't worry if you have to hunt for a second. Sometimes they're in the top right, sometimes lower, depending on your screen size and Telegram's latest design. This menu will pop up a few choices. From this options menu, find the one that says either delete or delete profile photo. Sometimes it may just say delete. Telegram updates can change the wording slightly, but it always means the same thing. You're about to remove your profile image. Tap delete, and you may get a quick confirmation prompt asking if you're sure. That's just Telegram double-checking with you to be safe. Confirm, and your profile photo will disappear from your account. If you had more than one image, you'll need to repeat this for each photo. And that's it. You've now removed your profile picture from Telegram on your Android device. If you ever want to add a new photo, just come back to the same spot and upload one. Or maybe you prefer the minimalist look, with just your initials as your icon. That's totally up to you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video. If you run into any issues or have questions about managing your Telegram account, leave a comment down below. I read every one and I'm here to help. Make sure to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and thanks so much for watching.